Hello friends, this video is about short description of scope and objectives of farm management and also relationship of farm management with other sciences, which is one of the topic of our course farm management and production economics. Let me start with meaning of farm management, which is already discussed in earlier video. So friends, as we discussed earlier, farm management can be defined as a science which deals with judicious decisions on the use of scarce farm resources, having alternative uses to obtain the maximum profit and family satisfaction on a continuous basis from the farm as a whole and under a sound farming program. So, this definition indicates that farm management is all about application of various functions of management with the help of economic principles on particular farm in order to achieve ultimate goals and objectives of maximum profit and family satisfaction. Let me explain various objectives of farm management. In that first, to examine production pattern and resource use on the farm. So friends, with the help of theory of farm management science, we can easily examine existing production pattern and existing resource use on a particular farm. Then next one objective is to identify the factors responsible for the present production pattern and resource use on the farm. So friends, with the help of input-output relationship techniques, we can easily identify the factors responsible for the existing production pattern and resource use on a particular farm. Then next one objective is to determine the conditions of optimality in the resource use and production pattern on the farm. Here I want to explain meaning of optimality for better understanding of this particular objective. So friends, optimality means it is an ideal condition where profit is maximum and cost is minimum in a particular production process. I repeat, it is an ideal condition where profit is maximum and cost is minimum in a particular production process. So friends, after input-output analysis of a particular production process, we can easily set the conditions of optimality, or we can say conditions of profit maximization and or cost minimization in that particular production process. Then next objective is to analyze the extent of suboptimality in the resource use on the farm, and it is similar with the third objective. Then last one objective is to suggest ways and means in getting the present use of resources to optimality on the farm. So friends, with the help of various economic principles and various tools of farm management, we can easily suggest various ways and means in getting the present use of resources to optimality in a particular farm. Let me explain scope of farm management. So, farm management is generally considered to fall in the field of microeconomics as it deals with the allocation of resources at the level of an individual farm, or we can say a, a particular farm. Then it is considered with the problems of resource allocation in the agricultural sector and even in the economy as a whole. And primary concern of farm management is the farm as a unit. And ultimate objective or goal of farm management science is to maximize the returns from the farm as a whole, and it is interested in the profitability and practicability in a particular farm. And it also covers various aspects of farm business which have a bearing on the economic efficiency of the farm. All these following activities fall within the purview of the subject of farm management. It includes land and working capital allocation, types of enterprises to be combined, kind of crops and varieties to be grown, fertilizers to be applied on a farm, implements to be used on the farm, and all other farm functions fall under the subject of farm management. And subject of farm management also includes farm management research, training, and farm management extension. Let me explain relationship of farm management with other sciences. In that first, physical and biological relationship of farm management. So, farm management has to heavily depend on other physical and biological sciences for its source material. Farm management science having a close relationship with other branches of agricultural sciences such as soil science, agronomy, animal husbandry, agricultural engineering, and other branches of agricultural and allied sciences. And these agricultural and allied sciences define production possibilities within which various decisions or choices can be made in a particular farm. Then economic relationship, and it includes basic economic principles, theory of agricultural marketing, theory of price analysis, and agricultural cooperatives that helps right decision making on the use of available farm resources on a particular farm, efficient management of particular farm in order to achieve maximum profit and minimize the cost in that particular farming activities. Then social relationship and political relationship. So farm management has a close relationship with other sciences like psychology, sociology, and political sciences. These sciences are concerned with various psychological aspects of human being, or we can say farmer, or we can say human motivation or attitudes of farmer, and also concerned with various social problems that influences the decision making of a farmer in management of particular farm. Therefore, these sciences also help to farm management science. Then supporting sciences, it includes statistics and mathematics. These sciences are also important as they provide various methods and procedures by which data regarding specific farm, or we can say farm problems, can be collected, analyzed, and can be evaluated. So all these sciences helps to farm management science in order to achieve ultimate goals or objectives of profit maximization and cost minimization of a particular farm unit. Therefore, we can say, with the help of all other sciences, farm management science guides and help to solve various economic problems of farmer associated with maximization of returns and or minimization of cost of a particular farm unit in order to reach towards ultimate goal, that better standard of living and higher family satisfaction of farmer. So it is all about scope and objectives of farm management and relationship of farm management with other sciences. Thank you.